My name is Craig Dalton. I'm one of the sales reps for Ace Fixings based in Ballymena. Just showing you today the Fischer framing gun that we have. I'll do your traditional D-head clipped nails, gas powered, battery operated. I'll go from a 51mm nail up to a 90mm nail. Today we've just got some 51 nails that we're going to put in. So you just load up the magazine as usual, stick the nails in, let them drop to the bottom, then release, and then with the gas, and just load the gas in the back of the gun, line up the nozzle to the housing and clip it in like so. As I say, it's battery powered, so you put the battery in and so if you're needing a nail gun to do any of your fencing, roofing or some of your DIY jobs, this is one for you. Again, Fischer gas powered, battery operated nail gun.